Hi, fart face ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be unboxing this diamond painting from Patty Wax. Where's the address? Patty Wax. That's exciting. On the outside we have a fragile sticker, handle with love, caress it. I wonder if the person delivering this package carried it like a baby and rocked it back and forth. Probably not. Do not crash, bend, or fold. And there's a little elephant. I don't know what the elephant has to do with it. I feel like he's being targeted. So if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on a daily basis. And let's get into this package, shall we? I don't know which one this is. I have 3 of them, and this is one of them. So you'll probably know by the name in the title of this video, but right now it's a surprise to me. Surprise! It's this one. Just kidding, I don't know yet. Okay, so besides my loud squealing, oh, and perfect, I already cut open the box part. So, which one is it? It is the bee! Oh my goodness! Look how pretty this is. On the box we have smile, sparkle, repeat, and it's like holographic. So I don't know if you guys can tell. There's a little bit of holographicness, distracted by diamonds. And on the back we have instructions on how to diamond paint. And then we just have warning, choking hazard. Do not ingest it. Keep out of reach of children under 3 years old. And properly dispose of all plastic packaging. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'm going to properly dispose of the packaging. But let's get into it first before we dispose of any packaging. I'm struggling. Okay. I'm super excited. This one is so pretty. If you've never ordered from Distracted by Diamonds before, they share a shop with Patty Wax. Like, the owner is the owner of both companies. I'll put a link in the description box below. They do relist, or they make their products live in their shop at specific times of day. Just make sure you read the description box in their Etsy shop to know what times and what days. Here we have a toolkit. We get a tray, a pen, 2 plates of wax, focus, 4-placer. I said focus. It doesn't want to focus. It hates me. And then we also have this container. I actually have 2 of these, and now I have 3. Soon enough, I'll have enough to kit up a full diamond painting. So that's kind of cool. I really like these. The cover stays closed even if you drop it. So that's amazing. And I think that they're really good size for overflow. Like if you're kitting up in Elizabeth Ward or your Harbor Freights or whatever it may be, and you run out of containers, these are good for overflow. I really like these. These are like one of my favorites. I wish I could get just a whole set of them. And then here we have our drills. Ooh, look at those sparkly ABs right off the bat. There's ABs in this one. Okay, so it's a round diamond painting. The other ones I've done by Jazmin Castillo so far are the moth and the bumblebee, and both of those are square. So I thought this one would be square, but I don't really care because I like square and round, so I'm not going to complain. Here we have our inventory sheet, or our bigger schematic. It looks like there are 24 colors, including 2 ABs, and they mark it by AB 5200 and 996 AB. It's weird that it wouldn't be AB 996 to be consistent with that, but whatever. So here is a thumbnail, and it's the Bumblebee by Jazmin Castillo. From looking at the schematic, D might be problematic, but we'll have to look on the drill field. But that's the one I think might be problematic because it's dark on really dark, and maybe K. But we'll take a look. Let me flip this around for you guys. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. You're beautiful. I don't know how the song goes. I'm not going to be able to fit all of it in frames, so you'll just have to bear with me. bear with me. At the top of the canvas, we have Distracted by Diamonds. We have the schematic on the top right, and on the bottom left, we have the schematic as well. And it says Bumblebee, copyright Jazmin Castillo 2021. Then on this side, we just have some, I don't know what these things say. I don't know. So there's those. Oh, look at him. He's in a heart, and then he has a heart on his back. A little baby. Look at his butt. It's so cute. Oh my god. I love like these yellow, sparkly, whatever you want to call it, stars. That's so cute. Looks like there'll be a lot of color blocking, which means that there's a lot of the same symbol. So unlike the other ones, there was a lot of confetti in the background, so this one has more color blocking. And let's take a look at the drill field. Oh, so this is the D. This is the D I thought might be hard to see. But it looks fine to me. Like, the D looks good. So, yeah, it's not going to be an issue. I'm not seeing any other ones that will be an issue. I really like this canvas a lot, actually. Here we go. I might, from looking at this, I might actually replace the outline of the bee with sparklers, which I've done on my other two Jazmin Castillo diamond paintings. If you want to see the post reviews for those, I'll put them in the description box below. You can watch those videos. But yeah, this looks really nice. So let's do a little tour of the canvas, and then I'll come back and we can take a look at the ABs and where they go. Our two ABs are going to be numbers 23 and 24, which I think I just saw when we were looking at the bag. So this is 23. Look at those. Those are so pretty. And then 24 is a white AB. Can you tell they're different from like the normal drills? They've got a little coating on them to be shiny. Pretty. Okay, let's see where they go on the canvas. So we'll look at the U, which is 23. So the U is basically in his wings. This light blue color in his wings. So you'll see it on each of these wings here. Same on the other side. There's also some ABs down here in this blue color. And anywhere else? Oh, here's some U's as well in the wings over here. And I think that's it. So yeah, the U's are mostly in his wings and some in the heart down below in the heart frame. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera. And then the 24, which is the white ABs, go, so it's an equal sign. So those white ABs are going to be, you'd think that they would be the outline of the bee, but they're not. Okay, they're also in the wings. So in the tips of the wings, the AB is this equal sign. So you'll see them here and on this side as well. And where else? Anywhere else? Here. I thought there would be more white ABs, but it looks like it's just in that area. Oh, here along his, what is this? His eyes? Are these his eyes? I don't know how bees work. I don't know how they work. I'm not a biology professor. Bee anatomy. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, not a whole lot of the white ABs, but I think there's still a decent amount. I think I am going to change out this white outline around the entire bee with sparklers. I think that will look really pretty. I might have to work on this one soon. Sooner rather than later, because I need to get my Jazmin Castillo collection completed. Okay, well that's all I have to share with you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you guys have any questions about the bee, or you have the bee, or you've completed the bee, let me know down below. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this kit? Do you like insects? Do you like diamond painting insects? I don't really like insects in real life because I don't want them to crawl on me, and I think insects have too many legs, but that's just my opinion. Don't be mad at me. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis. All you have to do is click the red button over here somewhere. It's free. It's free. And you can join my hive and watch videos as I post them. So thanks so much for joining me in this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye!